Max. Come on. Max, come on. Come on. Come on. Max. What? Oh. What the heck are you doing? You wanna chill there? He doesn't want to walk. Look at him laying down. Come on. Don't lay down. We're going back home because he just wants to lay down. He loves walks though. Boy, stop dragging me. We took him out like in the morning. Hey, this little puppy. Look at him. Hey, you. Come on, inside. Be right back. Hey, Max. Max. In. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Why are you so scared? Aw. Okay. Say bye, little puppy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And I can do challenges if you want. But some challenges I will not be doing because my mom won't let me. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.